Hi everyone, it's Pam from Louët. Today I'm going to show you the Louët warping mill and show you the warp that I'm going to be putting on. I've chosen my colors. It's going to be a striped warp. On the mill, what you see here is my leader thread, or the thread that's going to show you the path, or show me the path that I will be following to make my loop, my warp. Then when I get up here is where I'm going to put my cross in. If you see, my threads are going across the top too, down underneath the third peg, over, back under, over the last one, and then I'll start down the rod again. And here is my cross, which is very important when making your warp. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so now I'm back and I'm going to show you putting on my second color. I'm doing a 15-inch warp, 18 ends per inch. So I've got my first color on, my second color, and I'm just attaching with a half hitch. So if you're not sure, the half hitch, I go once, twice, and around. And then I'm just going to continue on my path and putting the second color on. And I'll come back to you when I put on another color. I'm going to tie off the cross. So I've just got a different color of yarn. And I'm just going to thread it through here. Okay. I'm just going to tie this off. It's just to keep it. All right, so I'm going to put the second one in, and sometimes it's a little tough to tie at the bottom. So I've got the Louët reed hook, and I'm going to use that to pull my yarn through. So we're just going to go through, catch it, pull it through, and just set that there. And then I can tie off the bottom part of my cross. And I'm going to do the same on this side of the cross. And again, because it's a little tricky getting through, I just kind of use my reed hook, pull it back through carefully without getting it caught. Okay, again, I'm tying off the top part of my cross. And the last one we're going to do, pull it through from this side, is I am pulling off the bottom one, and I'm going to tie the bottom part of my cross. And then they'll be all ready to take off in my crochet chain. Slide the warp off so I can make my chain, and it's a little tight, so I'm going to loosen this rod. All right, so that I can then maneuver my warp how I want it. All right, now what you need to do here is keep this tight at all times. And it's just like a crochet chain. So once you get it started, keeping it tight, you are just going to crochet a link, and this will make your warp. So I'm just going through, pulling it, making a loop, going back through, pulling it, making a loop, and I'm going to do this until I get to the very end. The secret is keeping this tight, so I just got to maneuver my reel around, and again keeping it tight, and a crochet chain. Just moving this so it doesn't move on me. Okay, and I'll come back and show you when I've got the chain done. There's my completed warp, and I'm now going to go and put it on the Louët David loom.